Hi, good morning. So my name is Julien Plumart. I'm a master of patisserie, and today in our lovely cafe on Queen's Road, we're gonna make our unmissable mince pie macaron. A few years ago, I've decided to take on all the goodness and the flavor of a good mince pie and put it in our delicious macaron. So today, to make the mince pie macaron, we'll be doing an Italian meringue, to which we're gonna add almond powder and icing sugar. They'd be piped onto a tray with silicone paper. Then we leave them sit for about 40 minutes. This is to allow them to crust on the top. So when we do bake them, we'll have a nice foot at the bottom and the whole top will be nice, round and shiny. For the filling, we'll be making a chocolate ganache using apple juice, just like for the mince pie, to which we'll be adding demerara sugar, muscovado, some orange zest, lemon juice, a little bit of rum, and adding to the macaron also some golden raisins soaked in brandy. So come and try our amazing mince pie macaron at Julien Plumart Cafe on 48 Queen's Road in Brighton. They'll be available from the 1st of December for the whole of the month. Thank you.